a meeting of the minds, bringing together generations for one common cause, so we can bond and build and figure out exactly what the title of a lot of our shirts is, and what our frame of mind is, and that's to pave great futures. And that's all inclusive. So let's shine bright like we came down here to do. Break bread. We're gonna bless this food. God is good. God is great. Let us be thankful for the food, clothing, the shelter, and the bond, and the opportunity to be in this moment right now to capitalize off of it. Amen. Ashe.
Ashe.
C's on the slab.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, so right now we want to do a big up to Marcus, okay? Marcus, you want me to tell him or you want to tell him? Today, Marcus is 120 days sober. Okay? We're just so proud of you for being so strong and to keep persevering, right? And yeah, we just love you and we're proud of you. And please give Marcus some love.
All right, this is an American tradition meal. You can find it at In-N-Out. You can find it at Burger King. You can find it's a regular standard meal. It makes for a great Happy Meal, burger, and okay.
It's the usual condiments that you put on everything. Mustard, mayo, ketchup. Yes.
What is it?
Yeah, I was down for a minute, but now I'm back home. I had a vision, I mapped it out, now I'm in smash mode. And I make decisions to make it out, cause that's what I plan for.
A breakfast food. It's supposed to be like high class. You know, kids' favorite thing to eat when they go to like Sizzler.
You'll fall for anything if you don't stand for something. The revolution is now being televised.
We just like to say thank you everybody for coming out and supporting our victory.
Aaron came to us and Aaron had a goal of getting his high school diploma, right? It's never too late to accomplish your goals, nor is it too late to get your diploma. And I am proud, I'm about to cry again, I'm proud to say that last week Aaron finished his last class and now Aaron is a high school graduate.
Was one mic, I don't need no stage. I used to dream about this shit when I was locked up state. Collect calls on the phone saying I can't wait to get back with all my folks so I can rest my case. If it wasn't for my kids, I'd be somewhere in the streets, running in somebody's spot, knocking hoes or selling deep. But now I'd rather hit the booth, drop a jewel, release some steam, get it checked and counted up, then run it back for my team. So how can I stop now when I done came too far? I paint pictures like Picasso with these lyrics and bars. I'm in a league of my own, I told you niggas before. I put weight on the scale and add points on the board. Yeah, my lifestyle is real, I don't know about yours. I get a certain type of feel every time I record. I'm all hustle, no luck, nigga. I had to make some adjustments, but now I'm up, nigga. Yeah, can't let them slow me down or hold me up, nigga. Cause it's a full-time grind, showing up, nigga.
Yeah, you'll fall for anything if you don't stand for something. The revolution is now being televised. Lay down and die, or wake up and live. Don't forget where you come from, cause if you don't know where you've been, you might not get where you're headed to. So grab your steering wheel, it's time to take control. It's only 24 hours in a day. How much time you got? Who you gonna spend it with when it come rolling in by the bankroll? That's why each one got to teach one. It's powerful and important, and for the sake of the people, that we still be out here.
Hey, let's take a group picture, everybody.
Hey, why you all in our face? Why you all in our face?
Get out of my face.
Why you all in our face? Get a job.
Alright, let's get it. Come on, Mary. Mary, can you jump?
community without fathers. All we had was food stamps, EBT, and government dollars. We come from the bottom, who knew we grew to be ballers? Back then, game was excessive, 9/10 of the law possessive. But now it's all bad. These cats is ass backwards. The game is full of perpetrators, famous and bad actors. Time to exit stage left even. Get it while you're breathing.
Hey, this is just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. I'm happy to be here in the memory of our mentee, our homeboy, our brother Greggie Pruitt. We love him. You know what I mean? I'm just glad to be here amongst all y'all. Hopefully y'all taking this time in. You know, many of us didn't get to grow up with a situation like this where we had older homies to take us to the park and be there and chill with that wasn't necessarily popping bottles and forcing some dumb stuff down our throat. You know what I mean? So we, love all of y'all. We love y'all. We here for y'all. Don't not utilize us. I don't care how old you think you are or you outgrown the situation. We here for each other. That's what we need to be here for. And take this beyond here because you got homies that ain't here right now and give them that same love. You got younger homies, Marshall, with your running mouth. See, I still be like we Empire right now. But go home and tell your young homies too, your little brothers, your little sisters, man, guide them and help them, man. Let's wrap around each other. My voice is gone. I don't know why, but we beam, man. Happy birthday, BJ!
Happy birthday!
It's your birthday!
Happy birthday!